Good morning everyone. This is continuation part of Laplace transform. We already make 3 video on this topic where we cover definition of Laplace transform table, property of Laplace transform, that is linearity property, first shifting property and second shifting property. If you have not seen my previous video, please go through it and find the link in description box. It would be helpful to connect you with today's topic. Otherwise, it might possible you won't understand today's topic. Today's topic is multiplication by t to the power n. If Laplace transformation of f of t equal to f dash s, then Laplace transformation of t to the power n f of t equal to minus 1 to the power n nth time differentiation of f dash s, where the value of n may be 1, 2, 3 and so on. Means if किसी भी फंक्शंस के साथ फंक्शन इज f of t के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में t to the power n का फॉर्म दिया हुआ है, देन वी आर अप्लाइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय t to the power n. किसी भी फंक्शन के साथ इफ एक्सपोनेंशियल टर्म होता था तो वी आर यूजिंग फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी. फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, हियर वी आर टेकिंग वन एग्जाम्पल. फाइंड लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ t cos 2t. तो यहाँ पे फंक्शन के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में t दिया हुआ है. दैट मीन्स हियर वी आर यूजिंग द सेम फॉर्मूला. So now first finding the value of f of t, and here f of t is cos 2t. So first step is finding the Laplace transform of cos 2t, and cos 2t is s upon s square plus 4 by transform of elementary function. Now in second step, we are taking Laplace transformation of t cos 2t. Just because कि यहाँ पे हमारे फंक्शन के साथ t दिया हुआ है, so we are using multiplication by t, and according to this formula minus 1 first time differentiation of f dash s, and here f dash s is s upon s square plus 4. As you already know, this is differentiation of first function and second function. So here we are applying the formula of differentiation. According to this formula, this expression as minus 1, second term as it is, differentiation of first term minus first term as it is, differentiation of second, upon second term का square. You can also see the same formula in our slide. We simplify this expression in our next slide. Continuing with the previous slide, to make you easily understand, I used black color for constant term and red color for the term which we are differentiating. So here we are differentiate s and s square plus 4. So after differentiating s, we got 1, and s square plus 4, we get value 2s. Simplify this expression, we get minus s square plus 4 upon s square plus 4 whole square, or we can write s square minus a square upon s square plus a square to the power 2. We write this expression in a general form. Now we are able to say Laplace transformation of t cos at is s square minus a square upon s square plus a square whole square. If we are taking the different value of a, we got the different answer. Here we derive the formula by using Laplace transform of t cos at. If we are taking a equal to 2, so we get s square minus 4 upon s square plus 4 whole square. Now the second question is Laplace transform of t sin at. We derive this formula. So we start from the same thing. Here f of t is sin at. So Laplace transform of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square by transform of elementary function. Now using the same formula, multiplication by t to the power n, we differentiate the value of f dash s, and here f dash s is a upon s square plus a square. Now we simply differentiate this expression. We get this formula. After differentiating the value a, we get 0, and the value s square, we get 2s. Putting this value in next expression, that is minus 1 s square plus a square into 0 and minus a 2s. After simplification, we get t sin at equal to 2as upon s square plus a square whole square. So this is next formula. Now we are able to find the Laplace transformation of t sin 3t, that is 6s upon s square plus 9 whole square. Or you can change the value of a, you get different answer. We seen two formula. First is Laplace transformation of cos at and second is Laplace transformation of sin at. Here we are deriving one more formula, that is t square sin at. Here we are using formula multiplication by t to the power n. We write the same formula here and compare with our question. We get the value of n is 2. So now Laplace transformation of t square sin at is minus 1 square double differentiation of f dash s. Here I am approaching the first step is to calculate the Laplace transform of sin at is a upon s square plus a square, and this is f dash s. Now we want to calculate t square sin at. So we double differentiate f dash s. We first differentiate f dash s और जो भी रिजल्ट हमें मिलेगा हम उसे अगेन डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो वो हमारा सॉल्यूशन होगा. सो लेट्स सी इन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Here we first differentiate f dash s, and f dash s is a upon s square plus a square. As we already see in our previous slide, when we are differentiating this expression, we get 2as upon s square plus a square whole square with negative sign. Again, here we are using the formula of differentiation of two terms. So we get the expression 2a is a constant, so we separate here and using the same formula. Here we differentiate s, so we get 1, and when we are differentiating s square plus a square whole square, we get 2 s square plus a square into 2s. So minus 2a s square plus a square whole square minus s into 2 s square plus a square into 2s upon डिनोमिनेटर में सेम थिंग रहेगी. We just simplify this expression. We separate s square plus a square from numerator. So in next step we write minus 2a s square plus a square, and rest of the term is s square plus a square minus 4s square, and denominator में same part है. Now we simplify the numerator. S square minus 4s square is minus 3s square. So a square minus 3s square upon denominator में same term. Now we cancel out s square plus a square and जो denominator में s square plus a square दिया हुआ है वो. So we get minus 2a square minus 3s square upon s square plus a square to the power 3. Now we are easy to say कि if we are finding the Laplace transformation of t square sin a t, so the result is 2a 3s square minus a square upon s square plus a square whole cube. Today we learn multiplication by t to the power n, or in another word we are saying how to solve Laplace transformation जब फंक्शन के साथ t to the power n हो. This is also a property of Laplace transform. Let's take a practice question to understand better. Question is Laplace transformation of t e to the power 2t sin 3t. What is the approach to solve this question? Can you identify the value of f of t? Yes, it is very clear. Here we write this question in form of e to the power 2t t sin 3t. So here function is t sin 3t. So we need to find out the Laplace transformation of t sin 3t. After that, we are applying the first shifting property. This is very easy. Let's start. First is find out the Laplace transformation of sin 3t. Second is find out the Laplace transformation of t sin 3t. And after this, we are using first shifting property. So let's start solution. Laplace transformation of sin 3t is 3 upon s square plus 9, and here we are using the direct formula of t sin at, and the formula is 2as upon s square plus a square whole square. So here we are putting the value of a. Laplace transformation of t sine 3t is 6s upon s square plus 9 whole square. Now coming back to our original question, t e to the power 2t sine 3t, and here we are using the first shifting property, and according to the first shifting property, f dash replaced by f dash s minus a means s की प्लेस पे हमें s minus a put up करना है, and here the value of a is 2, so 6s minus 2 upon s minus 2 whole square plus 9 whole square. This is desired solution. By using this property, you are able to solve many of the question. This is all about today's lecture. If you like our video, please like and share with your friends. And also, if you have any doubt, query and suggestion, feel free to ask in comment box. Thanks for your love and support. Stay safe.